This stunning lake estate boasts 76 feet of breathtaking lake frontage. This custom home is unlike anything that you've ever seen. Complete with 3 bedrooms, an optional game room to be the 4th bedroom with ensuite, 3 full baths, and 2 half baths, you will not be short on space in this home. The almost 800 square foot master suite is the epitome of luxury in the space that you've dreamed of, with 2 walk-in closets, a soaking jet tub, walk-in shower, and bedroom off the lanai. The main level has a billiard area that's ready for game nights. The open concept kitchen and living room are opened up by the vaulted ceiling and skylights. The kitchen is furnished with gorgeous cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and a large island to accommodate everyone. Just steps away, the living room boasts a floor-to-ceiling stone front fireplace and lovely views of the water. The second level has a music room that could also be purposed as an additional suite. Right off of the guest rooms, you'll find a poker or game room with a custom bar that's ready for company. The 3-car garage is extra deep for more space, and the location on the cul-de-sac is perfect for extra parking when guests are visiting. Stepping outside, enjoy a steaming cup of coffee in the large screened-in porch as you watch the calm waves of the lake. Or step out onto the pier for an unobstructed view of the sunrise and fresh air. You won't want to miss this gorgeous home on an amazing piece of lake frontage. Call Danielle Jackson to make the first step towards owning your dream home on the lake.